when the workers press this green button, then now it means the machine has connected with the power. This box is DSP panel. Now it shows go to home, so they should press this green button. After pressing this button, X, Y, Z 3 axles should back to the left corner of this machine. Okay, now we will explain some other buttons on this panel. Firstly, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 buttons are showing the orientation of XYZ move, and also can be set by the speed of XYZ move. This will guide the speed. If you press this, then it will move very fast or move very slow. Now, the 3 axles move very fast. Okay, now next step is these 2 important buttons. Before you start every files, you should press these 2 buttons. It means they will set up the working arrangement. Okay. Okay, now until the panel show like this, all are 0 point. Then now we can find the files saved in this panel. So we should press this button. Then find the file you want in the mail. For example, we choose the 3rd one. All the parameters are be set up by default. For simple show, the XYZ didn't engrave on the board, just air move for example. So this is a simple process of operating the DSP panel.